Welcome viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I have uploaded this worksheet and I have shown you how it works. What is the benefit? How you can take out the 12 months rental receipts within no time. Today we will see how this is created right from the scratch. Our first point is the starting date. See, if I take 1/4 as starting date, our first month is April 2024. If I take 1/1/2024, then January is our first month. We will see how this is done. First of all, what I have done is I have taken this date. This is in cell K4. I have taken it. I have brought it to the dates sheet. See, this has come from K4. From here, I have taken it to this sheet. This is 1st January. If I say 1/4 April 2024, this shows 1st April 2024 since it is taken from that place. So from here, I'll do the starting. Here what I have done is, this is nothing but equal to D2. This is D2. This I have taken here. From here, 1st April, I have to take the last date in this month and year. What is the last date? How do you take it? EO month, end of month, K2, and months is 0. We are not adding months here. Months is 0. So you get the last day of this month. 1st April 2024, last date is 30th April 2024. You got it. From here, what you have to do is this date plus 1. You get the first day of the next month. Again, as we have done here, say your month K3, 0 months. So you get the last day of May plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Here, end of month, just you can after putting formula here, just you can drag it. After putting plus 1 here, you can drag it. You get these dates. From here, I wanted a date like this, April 2024. See, I have used this date, April 2024. I wanted a date like this. I do not want to use a date like this. I wanted this date. So what I have done is, from this date, I have extracted the month. I have extracted the months. I will show you how to extract the month. See, I'll take a date which is here. I'll take a date. And I'll tell you how to extract the month. Is equal to month. Bring out the month from this cell. It says September is 9th month. If I say is equal to, if I select this one, it says January is 1st month. Then I wanted the name of the month here, not the number. So I have created a table here. 1 is January, 12 is December. I take the help of this table and convert this number into a month name. I'll say VLOOKUP. This is my lookup value, comma, table array. This is the table. I'm pressing F4 for locking, comma. I want information from the second column. We have 2 columns here in this table array. I want to have information from the second column, so I said 2, comma 0. See, January. If I say is equal to this date, I have taken a date from August, 31st August. So it says it is August. Okay. Then, if I want to have the year here, it says 2024. these two. Now let's combine these two. This ampersand, double quotations, space, double quotations, ampersand, and this one. You get it? If I say is equal to this, it says March 2025. This is what I have used here. I have used here. Okay. This is given in green color, uh, which is open for editing. Whatever amount you want to put, you can put it. Okay. Then comes the date of receipt for each month. So if you go to this and press F2, it shows that certain cells are hidden here. I will unhide them. Not hidden with the same color, because when the background color and font color is the same, it is as good as hiding. You can't see them. Now see, this is the month. From this I have extracted the month, which is 4. April is 4. Here I have extracted the year, which is 2024, and I have kept the date open. I can say 15 here. Then it will say, then here I have added with the help of ampersand and double quotations and a hyphen in between. I have added these 3 items, 1, 2, 3. See, when I say 15, it says 15/4/2024. If I say 15 here, it will say 15/3/2025. Depending on this date, you get this date, and depending on this date, you get this date. This is how you get this date. Now, this date, the April 2024, I have named it as month name 1. I call this month name 2. Whatever name you want to give, you can give month name 1. This month name 1, I have used here. See, this is month name 1. If I go and take a 1, I'll take my date now. Starting date is 1/1/2024. So my first month is January 2024. See, January 2023, sorry, January 2023 is my first date. When you go to receipt, you get this date here. So, and I have copied this from this sheet, from here. These depend on these dates, and this depends on this date, and this date depends on this date. So the whole control is here. The moment you change this, everything in this sheet changes, and as a result, this table also gets changed. From this table, you catch the information, put them here. That's all. See, we did 15/1/2023. We said 15/1/2024. 2024. Yeah, 1 second. 1/4/2024. We said 15 here, 15th day. 15/4/2024. You get 15/4/2024. If I say 3rd, you get 3/4/2024 here. So this way, the starting point is here, and after processing the information in this page, you get back the resultant figures here, and you use the resultant figures in this page to update it. Now, coming to the left side of the worksheet, this is a salutation which you select. If you say Mrs. AAA, you will get Mrs. AAA here. This flat number, etc. is copied here. The amount of rent which you give here is copied here as it is. And the place is copied here in all the receipts. Then name of the owner and his PAN number. Yes, they are reflected here in all the rental receipts. This is how it is done, friends. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. A big thank you. Thanks for watching.